Hello everyone, this is Brahmar Jain from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I secured All India rank 8th position in the IPC exams of May 2017. I'll be sharing some of the things which I believed helped me secure this position. So the foremost thing is start following the basics. Stop running around seeking expert advice and hacks and wasting your time. Time which is currently your most precious resource. By basics, I mean being consistent, hardworking, and if you are a student of Excel, appearing in each and every class test. Nevertheless, you have prepared for it or not. The truth is, these basics account for 90 to 95% of your success, and the unique efforts you put in accounts for merely 4 to 5%. Another thing I believe which contributed to my success was the atmosphere of Excel. The group discussion among my friends, solving queries and understanding logics with teachers during the breaks really helped me a lot. So I think you should follow the same. Another thing is I have seen that students generally tend to create a lot of fuss about the order in which they should study during preparation leave, like which subjects to study first, which subjects to do at the end. Yeah, at the end you have to complete all the subjects. So I think it's not worth wasting your time to thinking about the order in which to study. And one of the most important thing is preparing summaries. Friends, I secured thankfully 91 marks in Cost FM, the credit of which goes to partly to theory notes prepared by BL sir and partly to the summary which I prepared myself. Friends, summaries help you a lot and even a lot more during exam times. And it's not that you have to prepare summaries during the course of all 9 months as you study. I myself prepared all summaries of all the subjects during preparation leaves. So it's not a hard nut to crack. So at the end, I would like to say that start believing in yourself and you can do wonders. Thank you.